Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Okay, so this is the one you saw the other day, the V6 RC Switch. It was in the skate park. We were doing like a few little test runs with it, just making sure everything was working. Right, so I've also built another one. So this is another V36 and this is fitted with the crawler front and rear sections. Right, so it's all still the same plan as before. Everything can get disconnected and it can still get swapped over as well. So the only thing is you just got to line up these little shafts, which is a bit of a pain, but there isn't really any other way to do it, I don't think. So yeah, it's just literally pull it off, push the other part back on, and then there you go, you got a different car. Right, so let's just put the crawler thing back on and then we can take it out for a spin. So quickly we're just going to go through the differences between these two. Obviously the middle sections, they're both identical apart from one's brushless, one's DC. But the crawlers, they've got these 50:1 planetary gearboxes in there just for all the speed reduction. So they can go really slow if they need to. And there's loads and loads of power. If I just show you underneath now. So the gearbox, it sort of turns into another gear to bring it down lower, and then there's another gear that sort of transfers at 90 degrees to take it to sideways for the axles. It is a little bit hard to see, it's all sort of boxed in there, but I might take one apart one day and show you, if I get enough likes or if you ask enough questions I might do it. Alright, so just while I'm here quick, here is the V37. So it's got a few little adjustments. It's got these little fins here. It's got slight adjustments on the front, a little bit change to the shape, and it's got this kind of roll cage sort of thing where it just kind of clips in place. So it's not the best, but it'll do for now. Right, so let's get this one taken outside and we'll just sort of see what it can do. Right, so don't expect too much. This is going to be its first time outside. If it breaks after 30 seconds, I won't be all that surprised. Okay. Okay, we're back at home now. Right, that was quite a good test. Turned out a little bit better than I was expecting. The off-road capability seemed quite good. There was a little bit of ground clearance issues, catching on some things, so maybe we'll be able to do something about that. Biggest problem we had was this wheel. So basically I think what's happened is just there's a cup that screws onto a drive shaft, and I think it just came a little bit loose. So moving forwards from that, we could probably put some flats on the shaft just to make sure that they stay on there. And yeah, there's also going to be some upgrades to the steering, because I don't know if you noticed, the steering angle wasn't very good. Right, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these cars, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like or leave a comment, that kind of stuff. It all helps. Right, see you on the next one.